The coronavirus pandemic has brought the world to a grinding halt. Over half of humanity is under a lockdown. It is an unprecedented challenge for the international community. The novel coronavirus has brought the world to its knees and created borders where none were imaginable. Even neighbors are not allowed to meet each other. However, while societies and governments are creating more borders, the global scientific community is pulling down the earlier known borders. Research for a COVID-19 cure and vaccine is a global collaboration like no other. Most premier research institutes in the world, including the Pasteur Institute in Paris, Johns Hopkins in America, Oxford Vaccine Group in the UK, have now joined hands to carry out research for a COVID-19 vaccine. Most research papers related to COVID-19 are now being put up online without waiting for them to be published in journals, which could at times take months. More than 200 clinical trials have been launched the world over, many involving combination therapies with known drugs, bringing together hospitals and labs from across the world. The Serum Institute of India has announced a collaboration with Coragenics Inc., a major American pharmaceutical company, to develop a COVID-19 vaccine. Global collaborations in the scientific community might be unprecedented at this level, but top scientists admit that there are still some crucial gaps.
Our knowledge of COVID-19 has expanded greatly in the past 2 months. The pace of science about SARS-CoV-2 is unprecedented in terms of the amount of research that's being done. But we still have critical gaps in terms of the proportion of people who say have it without having symptoms, how much that contributes to the spread. Those kinds of questions are extremely important to understand how to best battle this virus.
The former team leader of the Center for Disease Control, Dr. Cyrus Schapper, believes that until there is a cure and a vaccine, the virus is essentially here to stay. There is uncertainty also over whether the spread of the virus will be contained in the warmer summer months.
We don't have any treatments, we don't have any vaccine, and we don't know that there's any seasonality component to it. So it's essentially here to stay. Just because we see case numbers going down, the virus is still outside. So when we're all allowed to go interact with each other again, it's still there. It's not going away as some flu, influenza pathogens go away, in the drier, hotter kind of climate.
Many experts say that the global research on COVID-19 has only one parallel in the last 50 years, the research on AIDS. However, modern technology has dwarfed that comparison in terms of speed and volume.
我的衣服合规吗？